Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another episode of Christmas with Shell. Today I'll be taking you along with me to decorate my Glam Christmas tree. I hope you enjoy. I started by removing all my Christmas items from storage. Now, I don't know if you're like me, guys, but I get really excited finding things that I forgot I had. Like these mini pearl Christmas trees that I forgot I had, as well as the feathered white ones. As well as this gold Christmas sign that I picked up from Woolworths last year. And this beautiful TK Maxx Australia, there's no place like home for the holidays sign. It's amazing how you forget things in the 12 months while everything's in storage, and it was like I'd been shopping all over again. I was like a kid in a candy store discovering my cute little ornament collection. This little furry one is from Target Australia, and the gold polka dot one was from Big W last year. There were so many adorable little items in there, I just couldn't wait to get started. My white Christmas tree is not overly huge. It was a garage sale find that I paid just $20 for about 3 years ago. But once I put it together, guys, I absolutely love how it comes. I start first of all by fluffing everything out. I start from the top and then work my way right to the bottom. Once I'm happy with how it's looking, I wanted to do something very, very different this year, guys. I wanted my tree to be all about florals. So using that as my theme, I want to add first of all some lighting to this tree. I have a grouping of string lights that I have a collection of, and these ones have little snowflakes on them. So I start by placing them at the front of the tree. I then add a second row of battery operated lights, and I add them across the front also. Once that was complete, I then took this beautiful black and white check ribbon that I picked up recently from TK Maxx. I'm really drawn to black and white at the moment, guys, and I wanted this ribbon to be not overbearing. So all I've done here is just cut 2 strips to the length of the tree. Now what I'm doing is I'm fluffing it out and tucking it under, so it creates a curve. And then I just continue to do that all the way down. Once you get to the bottom, you just cut your desired length and then tuck the bottom underneath one of the branches. So basically your tree's going to start to look like this. I've just placed 2 strips on either side of the tree. Now here's where the flowers come into play, guys. I have these beautiful blush pink ones from Kmart, as well as these cream ones from Kmart as well. Now all I'm doing here, guys, is just placing them all over the tree. I'm starting from the top and making my way down. Soon it will start to resemble something along these lines. Basically what I did here is I went around my house and collected all my flowers, every flower that I've ever owned. And what I want to do here, guys, is try and cover the entire tree in flowers. I then took these ones, these were from my local dollar store, and I took them off the stems and I just added them randomly over the tree. What I was aiming to do here is just try and fill in as many gaps as possible with the flowers. I then took these gold glitter picks and I added them to the very top of my tree. I then wanted to add these beautiful gold polka dot ornaments and I added them randomly in the gaps that were needed. I then continued to add more beautiful ornaments into the spots where I felt they needed to be. These pretty feathered ones, I had about 4 of these, so I added them around the bottom of my tree. I also had 2 angel wings and I added them to the front of the tree in separate places. I continued on adding ornaments as well as these beautiful bouquets of fake flowers, so that way I would give more fullness to the tree. Once I was happy with that, I then took this beautiful fake fur Christmas skirt and I added it to the bottom of the tree. Now I picked this up last year, guys, from TK Maxx, and I have the matching stockings. And here is my finished Christmas tree for 2018. Off camera, guys, I added these beautiful fuchsia pink glitter poinsettias. I think these came absolutely stunning. And I love how they go so well with the black and white ribbon. These were just from my local dollar store, guys, and I love how they gave my tree that elegant glam touch. At the bottom of my tree, guys, I just added a crate with some Christmas cushions, as well as these 2 pink feather Christmas trees, which are from Maya. I also added my DIY fake fur Christmas boxes. If you'd like to see how I made them, I'll leave a link to that video down below. Every year, guys, I like to try new styles, and I knew that I wanted something with a very floral theme this year. I love the fact that I shopped my own home, and bringing it all together, I was able to use my Kmart Australia flowers, which are really inexpensive, guys. I love the fact that by using these items and just walking around my home and finding flowers I already had, I was able to create the look that I was aiming for. And here is a nighttime shot for you. I love how glam my Christmas tree came. I especially love the fuchsia pink with the black ribbon, and I like how the black ribbon adds a little contrast to all the pinks. Every year, guys, I like to do my own signature style. I start off with an idea in mind and I work from that. As I said before, I wanted it to be all about florals, as much roses as I could possibly put into the tree. I love how the poinsettias give that glitter glam effect, as well as my little angel wings and lots of gold accents. Just remember, guys, with any decorated space, you can create different ideas and looks by shopping your own home. I'm forever moving things around in my home, and I love transforming things to give a whole fresh new look. I encourage you all to take items from around your home, because you could create a completely different Christmas tree this year with existing things that you already have. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to shop your own home when you're decorating your Christmas tree this year. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.